So this next build that I'm going to show you is one of a classic bot called Overkill. This is a bot that used to compete in the Comedy Central days of BattleBots, and the reason why I decided to make it is because Overkill has recently been seen again fighting at BattleBots Destruct-A-Thon, and Overkill was seen fighting Hydra. Jake Ewart brought Hydra there for one fight of the event, and the video is on YouTube of Hydra fighting Overkill. And well, here's my Lego Overkill. It's an overhead thwack bot with 2 large tires and a hinged wedge on the front. And I tried making the wheels part of the arm, so that way the arm would swing whenever the wheels move, but then when it swings, the wheels won't move, so I had to do something to make the wheels turn, as well as a way to make the arm move towards the front. And there's a gap there, so the arm goes through there. And Scorpios also has Overkill's blade. They've shown Scorpios with the blade mounted in some of their videos, in the Scorpios Builder Blog videos. So, what do you think of Lego Overkill? Well, until next time, peace out.